The legal fallout from this early release era could be costly. Our team coverage continues now with political reporter Natalie, and she spoke to an attorney who has been involved in several cases against the Department of Corrections.
I mean, it's like a punch in the gut. The state is supposed to be protecting people, protecting victims, and to now all of a sudden hear that, oops, we made a mistake and we really haven't done anything about it.
Tony Shapiro says that's the reaction of victims and families to news that the Department of Corrections accidentally released 3,200 inmates early since 2002 because of a computer glitch that went unfixed for years.
I think it does cry out negligence. I think it shows a lot of indifference, and it also shows that people weren't putting the pieces together, that this computer problem could have real dire effects and impacts on citizens that the Department of Corrections is supposed to be looking out for.
Shapiro has experience with lawsuits against the DOC. He represented the family of a 21-year-old woman killed by this man, Michael Garrett, who Shapiro says was released early because of a separate sentencing miscalculation issue back in 2001. Shapiro says that case settled for millions. It's unknown now how many more potential claims and suits could result from this new early release error.
The plaintiff's lawyers will have a field day, and you can bet they're already mining the data, looking for every possible case.
In an ironic twist, former Attorney General Rob McKenna says taxpayers could be on the hook for picking up the cost.
We have rules that effectively make the state strictly liable if the state had any role whatsoever in something bad that happened.
DOC is already one of the top 3 most sued state agencies. McKenna believes this latest blunder is part of a continuing problem with upper management.
The failure to fix the software error when it was first identified in 2012 was a management error. It wasn't a problem with how to fix it. It was a matter of misprioritizing it, not allocating the budget resources to it, and not making sure it got done.
Natalie Brand,